Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fade in and out video in Premiere Pro. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step, you can see that this is the video and I want to add fade in and fade out in this video. So you simply need to select this and click on Shift 7, and here you need to search for the film dissolve. Okay, and put that in the start of the video, and then you need to put at the end of the video. So let me put that. Okay, so here is fade in and here is fade out. And if you want to change the speed, you simply need to zoom in, and if you want to make it slower, so here you can see that, and if you want to make it faster, you simply need to scroll like this. So here you can see that. So this is the simple process by which you can add fade in and fade out in Premiere Pro. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos, and if you want to work with me, you can check out the description as well. Thank you. Have a good day.